Today we are back to teach you a fun science experiment behind the vanishing glass rod. Okay guys? Okay. So guys, what is the you will be
magic fire.
Yes, Amara, it is if it vanishes, right? Guys, you'll be shocked.
It's amazing.
Yes, you'll be shocked, astounded,
You'll be
astonished,
shocked,
and
you'll be
dumbfounded.
amazed.
Yes, okay guys? Okay. So, how will it vanish? Am I going to put Harry Potter's invisibility cloak on? Ha ha. No guys, of course not.
Of course
This
not.
is pure science, not magic. And I'm not a magician. So, let's begin. Things needed for today are only 4 things.
It's a cup.
It's
It's
a
some water.
glass rod, one
and
cup,
some oil.
one glass,
I already told. But it's
Yes.
okay. You can tell again.
oil, water, a glass and a glass rod. Okay guys? Okay. A stirrer. So let's begin. First you
Wow!
put the
Wow!
water.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
First you put the water.
That's it.
That's it.
We just put
And then now it's done.
oil.
Guys, now you have to be careful. This is the
Yeah.
part.
Of oil. Look, it's going.
Guys, look at this.
down.
Mama, come closer. Guys, look. We have taught you about density so many times. So now, let's leave density for now. And guys, look.
Bhaiya, did you see that?
Yes, guys, look. In the water you can see the rod. And above the oil you can see the rod. But can you see the rod in the oil?
Bhaiya, maybe
You
the oil.
can't.
Bhaiya, maybe the oil is in the stick. Maybe it's eaten it.
No, Amara. No, of course not. It's not eating. The oil is not eating it.
It's right here.
Yeah, so guys, look, it's right here. Am I casting a spell? When I put it in the glass?
Because the oil is dark, we can't see it.
No, Amara, that's not the explanation. So guys, now let me tell you the explanation. Okay guys, so there are 2 laws of principle in this one cup. So cool. One is density and one is the refractive index of light. Okay guys, so the most important, they are the 2 most important principle laws in this one cup. Okay
Yes,
guys,
Bhaiya.
how cool is that? So let me tell you the principles. So what is density, as we can see?
Bhaiya,
Yes.
you're the best scientist ever.
Thank you, Amara. So guys, the first law is density and the second law is, this is a new one. This is the refractive index of light, the second principle. Have you heard of it? I don't think you have. And if you didn't, I'm teaching you it, the refractive index of light. Okay guys? Okay. So, now let me tell you the explanation. But first, we all know what is refraction. Refraction is the bending of light. Okay guys? Okay. Now, what is the refractive index of light? The refractive index of light is the speed of light of an object.
Bhaiya, can
Yes?
I tell you something?
Yes.
Because of you, I know everything.
Thank you, Amara.
Refraction is the light of bending.
Yes, Amara, correct.
From you, I always learn.
Thank you, Amara. So, guys, let me tell it again. So, what it is the ratio of the speed of guys. It's not sound. It's of speed of light of an object to the speed of light of a vacuum. Guys, it's not a vacuum cleaner. No, it's a vacuum. So, guys, this is the refractive index of the oil and the glass is the same. So the light goes at the same speed at the same time. Okay guys, it goes straight. But the refraction or the reflection doesn't go straight. No, we know that refraction is the bending of light. But is this bending? No. So this is not refraction. So our eyes can't see it. And guys, do you know the refractive? So let me tell you some two.
Bhaiya,
Yeah.
will this part get clean from the water?
Yes, Amara. So guys, now let me tell you two fun facts. So do you know the refractive index of water? Well, it is 1.3. It is 1.33. And do you know the refractive index of air? Well, it's 1.002. Okay, guys? Okay. So guys, bye.
Thank you.
Bye. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this, and just look at this for the last time.